When I think of summer, a few things come to mind. Travel, swimming, delicious barbecues, backyard games, and big messes. Did you know 45% of adults in the United States report having sensitive skin, and 82% of dermatologists in the US recommend the use of free detergents to patients with sensitive skin? My girls have sensitive skin, so I'm always on the hunt for effective but gentle products that won't cause them irritation. That's why I was thrilled to discover Ivory. Ivory Gentle Aloe Scent laundry detergent sold exclusively at Walmart is the perfect choice for keeping your clothes clean and your family's skin safe from irritation. From the youngest member of your family to the oldest. The Ivory Gentle Aloe Scent laundry detergent is designed for sensitive skin. Its hypoallergenic formula is free of dyes, phosphates, chlorines, brighteners, and enzymes. It is not only hypoallergenic and free of harmful ingredients, but is also tough on dirt, food, and stains. The best part is that your family can enjoy all of these benefits from this Ivory laundry detergent at a super affordable price. So let your family have fun and your kids get as messy as they want to, knowing you have Ivory Gentle Aloe Scent laundry detergent to wash away the dirt while protecting their sensitive skin.